Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to go over how to connect your wireless Apple CarPlay on the beautiful 2025 Santa Fe Calligraphy. In order to get started and connect your phone to Apple CarPlay wireless, we're going to go to settings on your phone. You're going to go to Bluetooth, and then you're going to scroll over to phone projection, add, scroll down all the way, see your Santa Fe on your phone, pair, allow, it's going to sync your contacts and favorites. Let it load. Connect. Yes. This is going to enable the Apple CarPlay. And there you go. We're connected. Now let's see how you can delete a pair phone. You're going to go to Setup, Device Connections. You're going to go right here. This is going to be my phone top G. You're going to delete device. Click on the device. Press delete. Yes. And also, in addition, don't forget to remove it from your actual Bluetooth in your phone. Thank you guys for watching. Any comments or concerns, please drop it down in the comment section.